Good morning, my name is Jonathan Leventhal, and this is my final project for CS206, BalanceBot, featuring the quadruped. I had a few goals for this project. They included how does the optimization of multiple tasks as opposed to one single objective affect the performance of the robot, as well as what observations can we make with regards to the movement of that robot, and finally, what are the effects of changes in the environment and object parameters in the experiment. In this experiment, I calculated fitness in three specific variables, one of those being the distance between the target and the robot, as well as the distance between the target object and the balancing object, and finally the balance aspect of this project, which was the robot's maintenance and control of the object on its back. We'll start with single object optimization. In these two examples, you'll see the quadruped maximizing the fitness of the distance to target variable of my fitness function. And as you can see, it has no regard for the cube object below and is going straight for the target in the background. I thought it'd be important to show this example of a robot optimizing one single objective, which is the distance to the target, and it just by chance is balancing the cube on its back. But you'll see in the next clip that the gate is much different when optimizing multiple objectives. As you can see here, the gate is much different. It's more of an upright crawl, and the center of gravity is higher up in this example, and it's much more of a stable gate. As you'll see in the next clip, we introduce a third value to optimize in our fitness function, which is the distance between the target and the object on the robot's back. As you can see, it maintains a much lower center of gravity, and this is an evolved trait that I observed here. I have already implemented the handling of spheres and randomizing the spawn location of both the target and robot objects, and my future plans are just to redesign my fitness function calculations to handle these and garner some pretty interesting results. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed.